Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is chicken cordon bleu. Okay? First thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna prepare the panura. So, we've got the flour, we're gonna crack the eggs, and we're gonna give them a lightly beat, and we have the breadcrumbs here. So that's the eggs. Now we're gonna give them lightly beat in there, and we leave them on the side. Then what we're gonna do, we start the chicken. We open up the chicken, we place the ham and cheese, and then pass it through the flour, eggs and breadcrumbs. So that's the eggs there. Ready? So we're going to put these on the side, and we were going to start the chicken. I've got 4 chicken breasts here, skin off, bone off, and we are going to open them like a butterfly. So from the middle we will slide the knife gently through the chicken nearly till the end, like that. Okay? From the middle, gently let the knife do the work, and we're gonna open them like that. Then what we're gonna do, we will pound them up, season them, and we fill them up with the ham and cheese. Do your best to go to nearly till the end, like that. Okay? So now what we're going to do, I've got a piece of cling film and a rolling pin, and we are going to pound them. So when it comes to pounding, always from the middle to the sides. Open them nicely like that. Okay? And we're gonna leave them here for now. From the middle to the sides. Open them nicely. This is one of my favorite recipes. It's nice, quick, very easy to do, and best of all, my kids love it. Okay? So now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna give them a good season. And now we're gonna place the ham on top, like that. And the cheese. When it comes to ham and cheese, you can use any ham you like, prosciutto, parma ham, and cheese. You can use cheese, your favorite cheese. It's not mandatory to use cheddar or any cheese. So it is up to you if you want to place another cheese on top. So we're gonna roll the chicken nicely like that, and we're gonna put them into this plate. Gonna give them a nice roll. Beautiful. Roll them like a sausage nicely, like that. And then what we're going to do, we will pass them through flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. So that's the chicken. So now we will start the process to flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Gonna place the chicken to the flour. Make sure we coat the chicken nicely, and then we shake off the excess flour. Then we're gonna put them into the eggs. We're gonna do 2 and 2. Okay? So I'm gonna put them into the flour. Make sure it's all covered with flour, and shake off any excess flour and into the eggs. So now make sure the chicken is covered with eggs, okay, and then you go in breadcrumbs. Sure, we cover them with all breadcrumbs there, and we will place them onto this tray for now. And the other 2. Flour, shake off excess flour into the eggs. And into the eggs. Now we will cover the chicken with eggs In fact, this chicken has to be on a plate because we need to cook it. We need to give it, after we done the breadcrumbs, we fry it up. So we get the chicken nice golden brown, and then we finish it in the oven 10 to 15 minutes. They don't take a long time to cook. After I washed my hands, what we're going to do, I've got a frying pan. We're going to turn that on a high heat, and we are going to add a good amount of oil. Then what we're going to do, we're going to turn the oven on mark between 5 and 6, so it is 190 to 200 degrees. Okay, and we will start cooking the chicken. Then when it's cooked, we place it into this tray and we finish it in the oven. Beautiful. So we make sure we keep on turning the chicken. So we cook it nicely all the way same color all round. And if you need to add more oil, that's fine, go for it, because as you find out, the chicken will absorb plenty of oil. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we will going to let them come to nice, good color. Like basically this one. Remember guys, for more recipes and ingredients and the method as well, please do log on our website robnjays.com. There you can find much more recipes, from pasta to salads to meats. You can also find menu planning, which we are continue working to provide easy planning for families. And look at that, beautiful. Also, do follow us on social medias, Facebook, Blue Sky, X, and Instagram as well. And do share our work so other families will benefit. We encourage more families to cook at home, I always say and stress out, cooking is easy. All you need is some good preparation, and you're halfway through. When you've got the preparation, you're halfway through. As you can see, now, look, it's getting nice, good color there. Now we're going to remove them. You can turn off the heat because we have enough heat there to finish it up. Otherwise, it will start burn easily. Okay, and we're going to place that onto this tray. There we go. And we are going to place this in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. There. And then after 15 minutes, we will take them out, cut them round, and we can serve them. You can serve them with some nice salad and potato. And also, what we do, we serve them with barbecue sauce. It's nice, easy. The kids love it. I love it. My wife do as well. So it's quite easy. So now, after 15-20 minutes, what we're going to do, we're going to take the chicken out. You can feel if it is too bouncy, it's not cooked, but if it is firm, it's cooked. We switch off the oven and we're gonna cut the chicken rounds like that. Okay, nice. And also I suggest, if you've got time, you can leave it rest in there for another 5 minutes before you cut it. All right, and there you go. You can serve that, like I said, with barbecue sauce, some salad, and some potato as well. Chicken Cordon Bleu. For more video recipes, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye-bye.